Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and today we're going to go on a little adventure and run some errands. So, the first thing I'm going to do, well, huffing and puffing because I just loaded up the car with trash and all the black tank dump stuff and whatnot. Had to wait about 2 hours for Ninja to finally come in this morning, but that's why I got up about 7 a.m. and she finally decided to come in, and boom, I was ready to go. So we're going to run into Williams, Arizona, where there's home of Bearizona, which I've seen videos of. Looks really awesome. And gonna dump the black tanks, get a couple of grocery items like paper towels, maybe, probably it. Some chewing tobacco, and probably scope out the area where I think we're going to be at our next camp spot after the awning's done. So the car's loaded with the empty water containers, trash, and this full black tank. Yeah, you'll notice the cardboard boxes on there. The way that I actually got it slid up pretty easy is I use those as kind of a way to drag it up there. And you'll definitely notice the back end of the trailer is pointing down. It's really going a little beyond the maximum weight that it should, but I've got it as far towards the car as I can. And we'll just hope those straps hold. Got the top down, lots of wind. Check the tank before getting on the freeway, and still strapped out real good through the dirt road. We've got about 20 miles to go. There's the Maverick. They did have a free dump, but no rinse water. Lucky on the tank, I really don't need it. On the RV I would. But Loves, I got my water refilled right there. Guy was nice enough to let me dump the 4 bags of trash in the dumpster. Then where that class RV's at, got my propane tank filled. And where the travel trailer is, they do have a dump with a flush for $10. Let me tell you though, $5 a roll for paper towels. Woo! Well, here's where the adventure begins. Lucky I checked out this area, because if I would have come in the RV at first, I would have hit this bridge, never been able to make it in. But I think I found a workaround. Now we're going to see if I can find this little lake back here on this forest road. This may be our next camp spot. Let's check it out. Definitely a little bit of water at that place they call the lake. You can see cows around. Now, the way I came in, the RV wouldn't make it that way, but there's travel trailers out here. So I think they came in this way. It's a loop. Let's check it out. That road did come out. The spots were occupied, but came down a little further, and looky here. Somebody decided to burn up a truck and leave 20 bags of trash around. Fire line do not cross. That's what the tape says. And there's the bridge I came under, and why no RVs are allowed to go through there. I think I could have come this way. I'm gonna go check it out, but regardless, no luck on the forest roads for camping. So we're just gonna go explore down this way. I think it leads back to the Loves, but down forest road where I just came, no luck for camping. There was a couple spots, but they were currently occupied. Well, that was an exciting little trip. So I decided not to go down that side road. I just hopped on the I-40 freeway to get into Belmont. And the reason I went to Belmont is I thought, should I come back to the RV and have a ham sandwich? It would be good. My last bit of ham, by the way, and I need to eat it. Or should I go through the Carl's Jr. drive-thru? So that's what I did and had a famous star and fries. Gotta say it was delicious. Oh, delicious, delicious. So after that, hopped on the freeway, jetted back to the Belmont area, and now back at the RV. Let Ninja out. She was happy as could be. You know, it's only midday, mid-afternoon, about 1. So she went out rolling in the dirt, and I've got a full stomach. I'm going to relax. Got my $5 2 rolls of Bounty paper towels put away, and very happy that the Loves person let me throw 4 bags of big kitchen bags of trash away. That was like 3 weeks worth of trash at least, maybe even 4, probably, yeah, 4, which included waste from Ninja's litter box. So definitely good to get all that out of my car. So I left the full water containers in the VW and the propane tank. If I do go like I anticipate the next day or two to some exciting cave exploring down the road, which I think you'll really enjoy. I know I'm going to enjoy it just from seeing the pictures. They'll be okay in the back seat and the passenger seat. So for now, just going to relax and enjoy this beautiful weather in the high 70s, 76, mid to upper 70s, and just chill. I'll bring you back if anything exciting happens. So there were a couple things in the car I needed to put back in the RV. Box of gloves, clean water hose, water filter, and water spigot, and then a bucket of sewage stuff that, okay, a little bit of a breeze. That will go right in there. And of course, the slinky hose that will go down there. Ninja came out, 20-30 minutes ago, and she's in her favorite spot somewhere. Oh, I see her. Let's see if I can point. I think right about there. See her moving? She's in her favorite spot. She has caught a couple of mice. She caught one this morning, and I watched her carry it just close to the road here and then let it go and pawed at it as it kind of moved left or right, and then she just watched it run away. So don't think she's harming the mice. Oh, she's got another one in her mouth. Can't see it, but it's a white mouse, and she'll either bring it right to that little kind of ravine. Oh, she let it go. Now she's after it again. I wish I could zoom in closer, but that's what she likes to do, catch them and play with them. So, yep, she got 2 that I saw today, and that's just what I saw. Can imagine how many she's catching out in that field. And the good thing is, again, she's going under the RV, under the VW, in the engine block of the VW, and that's really helping them from building a little nest in there and chewing up wires. Well, if she brings it over, I'll put it on camera. Otherwise, she a lot of times will just bring it right about there and play with it till she gets bored and let it go. Poor mice, they get PTSD from this. So here's the slinky sewer hose. And I want to give a little pro tip. It's got kind of a jagged end there, and the other one here. Now I'll be washing my hands. Put that one in first. Put this end in first. I'm gonna use 2 hands to crunch this. And the reason being, this end barely fits in. Now I put it in backwards before, and that end there, that is right against the edge of the cover, got caught back here, and I pulled and pulled and pulled, and it broke it off. Had to get a new hose. This way, that tough to fight end is right there where you can handle it, get it out easy, and then the rest of the hose comes pretty easily from there. So that's about it for the day, sports fans. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you aren't already a subscriber, so you get an alert anytime I post a new video. Go out there, be positive, be nice, be active.